Alright guys, this is my 2012 Toyota Tundra, and you can see my trim here is starting to, fall apart. And it's been like that for about a year now. I finally found a replacement to replace it, and I'm going to show you the process right now. And if you need a link to where to buy that, I'll put it in the description. There's first one. I think the hardest part is removing the back part. That was too easy. All right, let's get the new pieces and get them put on there. I think I'm gonna clean this off a little bit. You can see there's some dirt and debris down in here. Get some water and clean that off. All right, now I have the driver's side. I'm gonna try that first. I've never done this before, so I believe you just slide this tip down under where the mirror is and slide it on and then clip it in place. All right, here I have the piece for the back. So you can see this part actually slides up into the trim, and this piece is where it clips in on the pillar. So, and then you have this, which hooks the back of the sheet metal on the door. So let's see if we can do this in pretty easily. I've not installed one of these yet. So there's some trim here that needs to go. I believe it needs to slide up underneath of this. So there, that seems to be good. Make sure that this actually lines up. I'll push this down into place. That's it. Easy. Looks good now on this side. And I checked the other side. The trim actually is fine on this side. It's not dry rotted at all, which surprised me because I assumed after this winter that it would also be pretty dry rotted, but I don't think this side sees much sun, and I think that might be the actual reason why it's doing that. But I'll keep those other pieces just in case. But yeah, in case you wondered, that's how you change the trim out.